Lesson 13, Graphing Linear Equations. This should be a review for you. We have two different types of equations. We can have an equation in slope-intercept form, and we can have an equation in standard form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, and standard form is a times x plus b times y equals c. And a, b, and c are real numbers. They can be also equal to 0. So there's a couple of ways you can graph linear equations. You can make an xy chart, graph the ordered pairs that you get, and connect the dots and add your arrows. So here's an example. If you had y equals 3x minus 2, you can look at this, that it's in slope-intercept form. You know the slope is 3. You know the y-intercept is negative 2. So you could plot your point 0, negative 2. If the slope is 3, that just means rise 3 and go to the right 1. And then you graph, connect the dots with 2 arrows. If it's in standard form, you just find the 2 intercepts and connect those 2 points. So here's an example. If you were asked to graph 4x plus 5y equals 20. So we have the y-intercept, which is just when x equals 0. So if x is 0, 5 times 4 is 20, so y would be 4. Or you could say it's equal to 20 divided by 5. So if you look right here, the 5 is a coefficient of y, so if you're looking at the y-intercept, just do 20 divided by 5. The x-intercept, you could do 20 divided by 4 to get 5, 0. So the x would be on 5, the y would be on 4. Connect those 2 dots and put arrows, and there's your linear equation graphed from a standard form equation. Now, slope, we're just going to review slope, is sometimes we call that m. It's just the change in y divided by the change in x. So if you know 2 points, you can do subtract the y's, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, over subtract the x's, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You just substitute in the xy values. Sometimes we say the slope is rise over run. That's the end of lesson 13.